If you have discovered this channel, then you are probably using internet too much and you need to stop. Anyway, welcome to Dope Tech Fever, the video extension of the blog dopetechfever.com. My voice might sound familiar, but if not, I'm the same guy who's behind youtube.com/thehopelessgeek. When I already have a tech channel, why a second one? Well, basically I have two different kinds of content here. I'll be covering product showcases and reviews on my main channel, and this channel is primarily dedicated to evergreen tech content like how do you speed up your PC, how do you reuse your old phone which you thought was pretty much useless. Well, you get the idea. I'll also be covering latest tech news which might be of interest to you, including smartphone leaks and rumors. The videos will generally be in 3 to 5 minutes duration, straight to the point, nothing more. Unless of course it's a detailed how-to guide, in which case it might go longer. But hey, you know what you signed up for, right? But in any case, you're already here, so might as well check out some videos. If you like what you see, then subscribe. Thanks for sticking around. I'll try my best to make it worth your while. See you in the next one. Cheers.